How to fix Microsoft Copilot app not working in Android or iPhone. Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to display some steps to troubleshoot your Microsoft Copilot app not working. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and restart your device, as restarting your phone or tablet can often fix minor app problems and glitches. Also, check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection via Wi Fi or mobile data and try switching between them. Now, if you're using iPhone, you can go ahead and open your App Store. And if you're using Android, go ahead and open your Play Store. From here, simply search for Microsoft Copilot. And once you find it, tap on it. And if you see an update button, simply tap on update in order to update it with its latest and newest version available. Now try clearing the app cache and data. For that, tap and hold onto this application if you're using Android. Tap on the eye icon to access app info. Go to storage and then tap on clear cache. But if you're using iPhone, you can go ahead, open your settings, then go to general and iPhone storage and then click and then search for Microsoft Pilot and upload the app. This removes the app but keeps your data. And after uploading, reinstall the app from the App Store. And if uploading isn't an option, you can uninstall and reinstall the app directly. Also, turn off your VPN temporarily to see if it's interfering with the Copilot. Some VPNs, like the one built into Pixel phones, can cause issues. And some Copilot features might not be available in your region. Voice input, for example, might be limited. So verify your subscription status as well, as some features like voice input require a Microsoft Copilot Pro subscription. Make sure that your subscription is active. And if you've tried everything else and Copilot still isn't working, you can contact the Microsoft support for help. And you can find information within the app or the Microsoft support website at support.microsoft.com. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.